Hi everyone, today I'm going to be opening a wonderful package that I received from Props for Dots. Lonkie is just so amazing and I want to give her a shout out. Thank you so much for this incredible custom piece for me. I'm so excited. Let's get to it then. Oh, how perfect is this? She always makes such a wonderful effort in her packaging. So pretty. And such a lovely clip. Oh, this top is just so fantastic. Oh my goodness. Lonkie, you have outdone yourself. Wow. Wow. Just incredible. Oh, and a cute little butterfly. This traveler's notebook was specifically made to make sure that my favorite bujo would fit inside. So I'm very excited to put that in. And here I'm able to place some inserts, which I'm going to be changing the way that I do my bujo next year, and I'm very excited to show you all. Let's see. Okay. Oh, it's so perfect. Let's get it stuck in here. Opened up to today. It's my beautiful baby girl's gotcha day today. So I'm very excited about that. Oh, so lovely. All my pages. Oh, Lonkie, this is just incredible. Absolutely incredible. Thank you so much. Absolutely lovely. Here I've got a couple of inserts that I actually got from Lonkie a while ago that I haven't used. So let's see how these also fare. I'll have to just adjust this later so that the little elastic is near the bottom. But yeah, isn't that just fantastic? A spot for all of my bits and bobs, 2 flaps, space for 4 of these lovely notebooks. I think I'm going to get the B5 ones so that they can fit nicely and I can do all of my trackers, yearly trackers and whatnot in there. So perfect. And a pen holder. How wonderful is that? Lonkie, you are incredible. Anybody who wants to get one like this, you can just find Props for Dots. Absolutely perfect. Thank you.